First thing we'll do is remove this little clip here. And this will slide out of the throttle body. What I'm doing here today is replacing the air filter on a 2023 Super Duty. This is a gas motor. There are 3 clips that we'll take off. Air box. Just move it out of the way and simply remove our filter here. Got our new filter. Go ahead and put that in there. Go ahead, reattach our air box here. Will be these 4 tabs will correspond with the 4 slots in the bottom. Go ahead, now that we have those in there, we'll go ahead and snap this back on. Now we'll go ahead and put our snorkel in here, the throttle body, and make sure that's all the way seated down. We'll go ahead and put our little clip back in there. Sometimes on that little spike on your air box there, might need to put a little lubricant on there and it'll slide right in real easy. Okay, to reset your life reminder for your air filter, we'll go to menu and we'll scroll down to vehicle maintenance, hit OK, and engine air filter, we'll hit OK, and then we'll hit OK until it resets. Now you can turn the vehicle off.